Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study room decoration at home step by step. Start by measuring the room and marking doors and windows so you avoid layout mistakes. Consider how you work and what storage you need. Aim for a balance of light, comfort, and organization. Create a simple floor plan and test it with tape on the floor before committing to purchases. Arrange furniture to support long study sessions and reduce distractions. Pick a desk that suits your tasks and allows room for notes and devices. Invest in a comfortable chair that protects posture and prevents fatigue. Position the desk to avoid screen glare and keep frequently used items within reach. Leave a small clear area for stretching or quick breaks to reset focus. Decorate with function and calmness to make your study room inviting and productive. Choose a soothing color palette and one motivating accent color to avoid overstimulation. Add storage solutions like baskets and floating shelves to keep supplies organized and desk surfaces clear. Bring in a plant or two for freshness and a soft rug or cushion for comfort. Keep decor minimal to maintain focus during study sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.